All right, so the coordinate plane. Use what you know. So you learned how to graph points on a coordinate plane when the coordinates were positive. You know how to locate negative numbers on a number line. Now we're going to put these skills together. Take a look at this problem. So describe the location of points A, B, C, and D on the graph below. Remember that the point in the middle is called the origin because it's where the two number lines intersect at 0, 0. So 0 on the X and 0 on the Y. Okay, an ordered pair is always X and Y, and that describes its location. Okay, so let's look at the first question. Place your finger on the origin and move 5 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 4 units up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the ordered pair for point A is what? Well, we're on 5 on the X. So right is on your X, up is your Y. So 5, 4. This is 5, 4. Okay, again, place your finger on the origin at 0, 0. Then it says move left and then up to point B. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we moved 4 units to the left, and then 1, 2, 3 units up. Okay, so left is your X, up is your Y. So if you notice, we're on the negative side because it's the left side. So we're at -4, 3. Okay. Oh, that goes here. -4, 3. So it says describe how far left and how far up, right? So we went 4 to the left and 3 up. And that gave us -4, 3. All right, again, let's start at the origin, 0, 0, and describe how to get to point C. Okay, so here it is. They went 1, 2, 3 to the left, so -3, and 1, 2 down at -2. So 3 to the left and 2 down. So left is your X, down is your Y. So -3, -2. Okay. And what is the ordered pair for the letter D? So again, let's go back to the origin. Let's go on our X. 1, 2 to the right, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So 2 to the right and 4 down, which leaves us with +2, -4. Okay, so then it says explain how to locate points on the coordinate plane. Okay, so X axis is left and right. Remember, our lefts are our negatives, our rights are our positives. Our y-axis is up and down. Up is our positive, down is our negative. So we always put our X point and then our Y point. Okay. On the previous page, you wrote the ordered pairs to describe points on a coordinate plane. The x-axis and the y-axis intersect at the origin. Remember, here's the origin. And divide the coordinate plane into 4 quadrants. So quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Points A, B, C, and D from the previous page are in different quadrants. Okay? 5, 4 is in quadrant 1. Negative 4, 3 is in quadrant 2. Negative 3, negative 2 is in quadrant 3. And positive 2, negative 4 is in quadrant 4. So this was A, this was B, this was C, and this was D. Okay. Points E and F are not in a quadrant. Point E was at negative 2, 0. So negative 2 on the X and 0 on the Y. So this was E. And F was at 0, negative 3. So here's 0, and then down to negative 3. So that's F. Okay, they are on the axis lines. Okay, E was on the x-axis, F was on the y-axis. So every point on the x-axis has a y-coordinate of 0, and every point on the y-axis has an x-coordinate of 0. So describe the location that has a negative x-coordinate and a negative y-coordinate. Okay, so if they have a negative x and a negative y, that means they're going to always fall in quadrant 3. Okay, so a negative x and a negative y will always be located in quadrant 3.